In this video, I'll show you how you can auto attack without clicking in League of Legends. Now first step is you want to press escape, turn on auto attack right here, and when it's turned on, if you go somewhere near anything, it will automatically attack anything within your range. As you can see, if I go over here, it's going to start attacking without me clicking. Now if you go down here, it's not going to attack these because these are passive mobs, but if I click on one of them, let me just give myself some gold, buy some damage real quick. Boom. Now if I kill one of them, you can see I will keep auto attacking the rest, just like this, without me clicking. Now that's basically how you can do it in League, guys. I don't recommend having auto attack on. I think if you want to improve, you should have it off, so if you're standing somewhere, you're not accidentally gonna hit. So I recommend having it off. But if you have it on and you don't want your hero to attack, you can press S and he's not gonna attack anything. So you can auto attack, press S, just like that. Now that's basically how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.